Alright, so there's a ton of stripe videos out there. This will just be my spin on striping tall turf type fescue. Turf type, tall fescue, whatever you want to call it. So basically, all you're seeing in these stripes are reflections. Your light stripe, blades are laid away, so they shine. Your dark stripes, blades are laid back. You can look right there at the mower tires and see that they're laid away and towards you. So, like I say, all you're seeing is reflection of the sun. But to make your stripes really pop, you need to stripe with the sun. You know, the sun does move during the day. Right now, the sun has disappeared, but when the sun comes back out, it would be to my back, throwing the shadow that way. Once that sun is to your back, your stripes are ran with the sun, they will really pop. If the sun was over there facing us, all this would be lime green. You wouldn't be able to see a stripe one. So once you do stripe, try to plan it out with the sun. Now if you had the sun facing us and you went to the opposite end, the sun would be to your back, so it would pop. But if you went over to the side, looking over, it wouldn't be as definite. And you know, if you're a stripe freak or a fescue freak like me, you want them to pop. You want them to shine. Here comes the sun. So, Chateau. Good luck, fescue freaks, stripe freaks.